Hello girls, so I received here this professional facial steamer that I will be showing you how to use it. I already put all the pieces together, so I'm gonna show you how to use it. Okay girls, so the unit is pretty easy to clean. The hot water tank is pretty strong and durable, and what is wonderful is that when you are with your clients and the tank gets empty, the machine also let you know, like it will turn it off. When that happens, you press the button to turn it off, fill with more water, and then turn it off again, and it's gonna keep working as it was. Okay guys, so to fill it with the water, you just have to put it through here, and then you put it to work. So you have to be pretty careful. The distance between your client and the steamer, it have to be like 20 centimeters, so you can avoid any burning, because remember, it's vapor, it's heat. So here I show you how brightening is the light, so you can see better through here. Is pretty awesome. Like I said, it's a professional machine. So if you are working with that, with cleaning, with treatments on the face, this is for you. It's pretty easy to use, so give it a try. You don't gonna regret it. Yeah, it have to be like at this distance. It's good because you still can feel it and everything. You can move it and you don't get like, you don't burn. It's a lot of vapor, so it will be perfect to you to work on the client. Like, it's really gonna be helpful.